It's been raining. It kind of died off a little bit, but now it's back more intense now. Today's hike takes us to Pedernales Falls State Park. We're here and we want to go here to the river system. That's what we want. One of the most visited state parks in Texas, known for its main attraction. This, a 300 million year old limestone cascades. You heard that right, 300 million. I will be taking in all the sights and sounds of the Pedernales River before embarking on an 11-mile hike on a Juniper Ridge and Wolf Mountain Trail. The trails are beautiful, landscape can get a bit rugged and rocky, and add to that, a chance for afternoon showers. But first, let's go enjoy the waters. Pedernales Falls overlook Cypress. The park has several vantage points that overlook the waters below. Alright, we're gonna go down to the river. It looks amazing from the overlook. On today's visit, the skies are cloudy and dreary, but on a bright sunny day, this must be one of the most photographic spots in the park. Do not slip. It's amazing. Just explore. There were so many things I wanted to see that I didn't know where to begin. I just have this fear that I'm gonna slip. Like a 70% chance that I will slip today. This is awesome. It's like I get to explore. Hey, check this out. It's got a cave or something. Looks pretty cool. Stagnant water though. Not a lot of people out here today because it just goes through there. It looks cool though. Look at this thing. What? Check for spiders. No echo really. Do not fall. You cannot swim here. These waters may look inviting, but you are not allowed to swim in this section. It's pretty chilly. It's kind of like 60 degrees. Climbed up that boulder there. Alright, so far so good. This is like a rock bouldering playground. It's amazing. I love the waters, but these rock formations are just as nice. The grip. Hi. Don't want to hurt myself. that was cool and all. Let's go to the rock section. God, this place is amazing. So underrated. I thought it was just like small stream, nothing too spectacular, but I'm blown away. It is amazing. Gotta be careful. Snakes probably inhabit these little rock shelves here. Yeah, you can go pretty far up there. See if it will work. All right, W for Pedernales Falls. Don't want to go too high, you know, slip and fall. As I was enjoying the water one last time, I was bit by a rather large fly. That was my signal to go ahead and start my hike and put on a lot of bug spray. All right, we're gonna go to Juniper Ridge and Wolf Mountain. Enjoy my time. Let's go. Okay, starting. Gotta find the, where's the freaking trailhead? Okay, I think I found it. Okay, I actually changed my mind. We're starting on Juniper Ridge and we're gonna loop counterclockwise to Wolf Mountain. The Juniper Ridge Wolf Mountain Trail is considered to be the hardest hike at Pedernales Falls State Park due to its rocky and steep terrain. Well, as you see, the rain has stopped for the most part. It's just cloudy now. They projected a thunderstorm, but luckily nothing's happened so far. Just light drizzle. And we have about 10 miles today on this trail. And this is supposed to be very challenging for Pedernales Falls State Park. It's challenging, so I'm looking forward to it. Also, it's not very well marked in some areas, so it's easy to get off course. All right, let's go loop around. And those look like gigantic bear traps. It's like the pipeline for the water runoff. What the heck? You could stealth camp in here. Got my rain jacket on just in case it starts to rain again. But I forgot my backpack. Rookie mistake right there. I can't believe it. Reminds me of Government Canyon a whole lot. We want to go to Juniper Ridge, so we're going left. No horses, please. Alright, we're just gonna keep going straight here. Just gonna curve around. Oh, thought that was a snake for some reason. Not too challenging, at least not yet. It's like it hangs like a drapery. I kind of wish it would rain because it's starting to get a little warm in this rain jacket. I brought it with me just in case. Might as well rain just to make it useful. Beautiful trees. What are these? Junipers? I think these are juniper trees, and that's an oak tree for sure. I can tell by the bark. The hills here, the elevation, definitely love that. Nothing like too steep or dangerous, but could sustain some damage if you fell though. But it's beautiful. Making sure we're going on the right trail. Are we? Should we have gone somewhere else? Am I supposed to go here? Damn you all trails. Where am I supposed to go? I'm supposed to loop around. No, I'm looping around. All trails. Dude, what the heck? Look at this. Look what All Trails is saying. I came from over here there, and I looped around. That was the only obvious trail. There's a trail down here. I don't even know anymore. Now I just make my own trail. Here's the trail. Oh. After a little adjustment, I was now back on the trail. So I'm back on the trail here. Alright, we hit 1 mile. We're still on track. I'm on like a ledge here. Insanely beautiful park. How slippery these rocks are. Wet and slippery. Signs of wild hog rooting. Okay, I think this is the trail. Let me double check. You could easily lose the trail here. Just as I say that, I lost it. Okay, so let's go back here. Where did I lose it? Instead of, I went over here, that way. Maybe I'm supposed to go this way? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's why. See? So easy to lose the trail. Alright, the clouds got a little bit darker, so it may rain. As long as there's not a massive downpour of rain, I should be well prepared. But if it rains, I'm prepared. I have my rain jacket, I have my waterproof GoPro. Haven't run into any hikers yet. I've heard them, but haven't run into them. Well, I'm actually not in Austin right now. I'm in Johnson City, Texas. Outside of Austin, but this weekend is basically the Austin weekend. It's not much cover, so hopefully it doesn't lightning and thunderstorm on me. So I'll get low and wait it out, preferably not under a tree. At least that's what they tell me. Lots of twists and turns here. We have 66 feet of elevation gain so far. Just don't slip. Well, starting to feel light drizzle rain. Slip count number 1. Sure I'm going the right way here. Alright, 2 miles. But I'm more concerned that I'm staying on trail, which according to the map I am. I have to constantly look where I'm stepping. It's so rocky here. I finally run into actual people on the trail. Sorry. No, y'all good. Y'all take care. First signs of hikers. A big group. They're just taking a snack break. Good people. You know what? If you had on a pack and you did this trail, maybe that might be why it was challenging. So far, it is not challenging at all. You definitely need a map for this place. Because there are some places where it looks like a trail, but it's not. So you find yourself off trail. So I definitely recommend a map of some sorts. Climbed a little higher. Yeah, it's getting dark. It's definitely gonna rain. Hopefully I can make it out of here. just fine. Wow, I can't believe how dark it got. I was starting to get a little worried as the skies got darker. Dude, Mother Nature does not play. She never loses. I mean, I could hike through rain. I've done it before. Hard rain too. I just wish I was on mile 8 and not on, you know, mile 2. Just putting on my hood just in case it starts to rain harder. You can probably hear the light drizzle. That's all it is. It's manageable at this point. I actually enjoy rain hiking. With this hood up though, I feel like my peripherals are not as good. I like to be aware when I'm hiking, especially solo, so I'm still going the right way. Oh. There we go. Now it's a rain hike. I'm having fun though. Whoa. Look at this heap of mess. Now we're in a clearing. Came from here, heading there. You know, if it snows or ices, this is a great place to sled down. Three miles now. About 7 more left. Haha, did it. I've not seen any animals, nor have I heard them. Oh. Alright, I'm back. We're at around 4.35 miles. It's been raining. It kind of died off a little bit, but now it's more intense now. Wow, this part's beautiful. It's gotten a little bit slippery, obviously. All right, now the rain kind of let up. Ooh, there's a mountain view in 0.2 miles. Whoa, still count. No injuries, please, before my race. Keep saying a mountain view is away. It's coming up. So, do they mean just like an overlook where you could see the hills? Because these aren't mountains. Rain is starting to die down more now. Doesn't mean it'll go away completely. It'll probably start up again. Approaching 5 miles. There's footprints, so someone definitely has been here recently. And we are now at 5 miles. About halfway done with the hike. It's starting to get really slippery. The surface here is more dirt, so it's muddy. Oh, whoa. That's a slip count. Okay. My opinion so far, still not challenging, but gorgeous, gorgeous park. It reminds me of Government Canyon State Natural Area and something else. The other park in San Antonio, I forget its name. But luckily the bugs have left me alone. No more giant flies have landed on me and try to bite me. Oh man, we missed that mountain view. Oh well. Oh, another slip count. Whoa, and another one. I can't help but slip today. It's gonna be too hard. Might have to turn off the slip count. Look over the edge here. This is called like a little creek. Another big hiking group. It's good to see hikers now, because I was feeling too alone on this trail for a long time. So we've done 167 feet of elevation gain on this hike. We're at 5.64 miles, but at least it's not humid and hot. Whoa. Yep, the rain has definitely let up now. The sky's brightened a little bit, but still cloudy. Oh, look at this. It's like square as can be for something natural. Alright, we're at 6.05 miles. This trail is just rugged though. Nothing where you have to like scramble over. Oh, what's this? It's been a while since I've seen a sign. That's where we've been on for a while. Yeah, look at the clouds in the distance there, the low clouds there. Approaching 6.5 miles. Nice opening here. Look at this tree. Almost looks like a fake color. And just when I think the rain had let up. Uh-oh. I hear thunder now. It's not a good sign, but at least I'm nearing the end of the hike. Time to wrap it up. Oh, I see a bit of sunshine peeking through. Yep, rain's starting up again. Alright, we're at 8 miles and the rain starts right on cue. I missed you, rain. I just want to speed through now and get to my car. We're at 9 miles now. It's about a mile left. This mountain trail is not too scenic, it's just this. Now it turns into gravel and we're heading downwards. Nothing too crazy. I'm ready for this hike to end. I'm hungry and I just want to get into warm, dry clothes. Okay, we're at 10.5 13 miles, nearing the end. Rain starting back up again. This trail is actually 11 miles. We just hit 11 miles now. Look what's coming up. A parking area sign. Finally. Parking area. 11 miles. 11-mile walk today. Tomorrow I have 26 miles, so that's the big one. Okay, supposedly there's an overlook. So we'll go to that in the day. Well, I don't know where the overlook is, but I know where my car is. It's right here. No time for the overlook. It was time to head out. Oh, overlook's somewhere else. It's nearby. Okay, I see. All right, well, we're here. Great adventure. I thoroughly appreciated my time here. Pedernales Falls State Park is now my second favorite Texas state park after Enchanted Rock. See you all next time.